Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn conditions in Kotlin. In Kotlin we have a if else condition, even if or else condition. So we will learn in this video how we can define these conditions and control our programming structure. So let's get into the video. So we have again our main function. Under the main function we write all the programming language. In last video we learned something about variables, so this is another way where we can define a variable like val score and we assign a value 85, and then we have a variable score, then condition. Actually, if score greater than equal to 90, then curly bracket start and we write a condition 1 and assign a value grade A into a grade variable. So else if is a part of if condition is not satisfied, then go to under the else if, and if score greater than equal to 80, then it's mean grade B, else grade C. So let's first run this program. Actually you will be a better idea. Keep in mind that our score value is 85 and condition.kt is our program name. So we are going to compile this program into jar file, and it's going to compile in a while. Okay, and now we run a Java. So grade B. So why grade B? Because score is 85. So 85 mean first condition score greater than 90 will not satisfy, but score greater than equal to 80 mean will be satisfied. So it's writing grade B. So another way we can write a condition, like I paste a code where I define a new score variable which value is 75, a new grade variable. What I did in this example, that I am taking a new grade variable as a return value of the whole if body. However, in above example I explicitly define A, B, C in a grade, but here what it will be, the return the condition, it will assign a new grade variable. So uh, let's run this example as well. Let me compile this condition.kt file, same file. I just need to save the file before compilation. I did actually, and it's compiled. Now run the Java. So grade B and C. Grade C means second one is 75. So 75 is not greater than 80. So it will come last else, which is return C. And this is how we can define a variable. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see in a next video. Thank you. Take care.